Welcome, Python enthusiasts, ready to transcend the basics and dive into advanced Python programming? This tutorial will equip you with the skills to tackle complex challenges with efficiency. Designed for those with a solid grasp of Python's fundamentals, we'll explore sophisticated features, delve into powerful concepts, intricate techniques, and tools to develop robust, scalable applications. Expand your horizons with advanced data structures, object-oriented programming, and efficient, reusable code. Whether you're aiming to be a web developer, data scientist, or machine learning engineer, this tutorial is your guide. So, grab your favorite text editor, and let's embark on this journey to Python mastery. Before diving into advanced Python, let's ensure our development environment is ready. Install Python from the official website. Create a virtual environment for your project to avoid dependency conflicts. Open your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and execute python 3 mvenv.venv. Activate the virtual environment with source, venv/bin/activate. With your virtual environment activated, you're ready to install necessary packages. Data structures are crucial for efficient data manipulation in Python. Beyond basic lists and dictionaries, mastering advanced data structures is key. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements, ideal for removing duplicates or checking membership. Create a set using curly braces or the set constructor. Tuples are immutable sequences, often used for fixed collections of data. Define tuples using parentheses. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs for efficient retrieval. Mastering these structures empowers you to write more efficient, organized code. Object-oriented programming, OOP, structures code around objects, instances of classes. Classes define attributes and methods that objects will possess. Example, a program to manage a library's book collection. Define a class called book with attributes like title, author, and ISBN, and methods like borrow and return. Python class bookdef, self-title author ISBN, self.title, =title, self.author, =author, self.isbn, =ISBN, self.borrowed, false-def borrow, self, if not self.borrowed, self.borrowed, true print, book borrowed successfully. Else print, book is already borrowed. Def return book self, if self.borrowed, self.borrowed, false print, book returned successfully. Else print, book is not currently borrowed. The method initializes the object's attributes. OOP includes inheritance and polymorphism, allowing for class hierarchies and shared interfaces. Embrace OOP principles to write modular, reusable, and maintainable code. Decorators and generators are powerful tools that enhance code elegance, efficiency, and readability. Decorators modify the behavior of functions without altering their code. They wrap the target function, executing additional code before or after it. Decorators use the symbol followed by the decorator function's name. Example, a decorator to measure function execution time. Python import time def time it func, def wrapper, args, asterisk quargs, end =time.time, print f func, took end start dash.4f seconds to execute, return result return wrapper. Apply this decorator using the syntax Python at time underscore at def my underscore function. Pass generators provide a memory-efficient way to generate sequences of values. Unlike lists, generators generate values on the fly. Example, a generator for the Fibonacci sequence. Python def Fibonacci n, a b =0, 1 for underscore in range, n, yield a b =b, a plus b, iterate over the generator to retrieve Fibonacci numbers. Python for num in Fibonacci, 10, print num. Decorators and generators showcase Python's expressiveness and power. Python's libraries and frameworks accelerate development and empower sophisticated applications. NumPy is essential for scientific computing, supporting multi-dimensional arrays and optimized mathematical functions. Python import numpy as np-array, =np.array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Django, a high-level web framework, simplifies building secure, scalable web applications. Python from Django.htp, import atip response def index request, return HTTP response hello world you're at the polls index. Other notable libraries include Pandas for data manipulation, Flask for lightweight web development, TensorFlow, and PyTorch for machine learning. Leverage these tools